Good morning, students. Our today's topic is Python modules. As you know, modules are used to categorize Python code into smaller parts. A module is simply a Python file where classes, functions, and variables are defined. Grouping similar code into a single file make it easy to access. Now I am going to give you a practical demonstration how to create a module in Python. Open Python software, click at option file, choose option new file and type the program code here. Here I am creating a function area underscore square which are accepting one parameter and calculating area of square. Now again I am creating a new method, new function whose name is area underscore rectangle, which are accepting two parameters L and B and calculating area of rectangle. Again I am creating a new module, new method area underscore circle, which are accepting one parameter and calculating area of circle by using formula pi r square. So in this file, I have created three functions. My first function name is area underscore square, which are accepting one parameter and calculating area of square. My second function is area underscore rectangle, which are accepting two parameters L and B and calculating area of rectangle. My third function is area underscore circle, which are accepting one parameter radius and calculating area of circle by using formula pi r square. Now save this file with name area.py. Now save this file with name area.py. How to import whole module. So dear student, now I am going to explain you how to import whole module in Python. To import whole module in Python, the following syntax is used: from module name import star. Now I am going to show you how to import whole module in Python. Here I have created three functions: area underscore square, area underscore rectangle, area underscore circle. All three functions are the part of module area because I have saved this program with name area.py. So here area is our module name and area underscore square, area underscore rectangle and area underscore circle are the functions present in the module area. Now I want to import whole of the module. So I have to type program code like this: import from. In order to import whole module, you have to type syntax like this: from import, from area import star. It means you are going to import the whole module. So you have to give syntax like this: from area import star. It means we are going to import whole module. Now call the functions present in the module area. First function is area underscore square. Second function is area underscore rectangle. Third function is area underscore circle. Now save this file. Now click at option run and choose option run module. So see, in this way, you can import the whole module in Python. I hope that you understand the concept how to create module in Python very well. Thank you and have a nice day.